Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a really easy recipe for some strawberry basil panna cottas. I love this dessert in the summertime because it's really great for when it's really hot outside and you need something to cool everybody down. It's really easy and elegant too, and I find guests really love the unexpected flavor combination between the basil and the strawberry. Let me show you how to make it. So the first thing you want to do is quarter a cup and a half of fresh strawberries and place those in a blender. To that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water. Then you're going to whirl up your strawberries until they're really finely pureed, and then you can set those aside. Then in a large pot, you want to add 3/4 cup of whole milk and 3/4 cup of heavy cream, along with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You just want to simmer this mixture for about 5 minutes until the mixture becomes nice and hot and all of that sugar has been dissolved. Then you can turn off the flame, and then you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of powdered gelatin. And then just stir that up until all of your gelatin is dissolved. And then you want to add in your strawberry puree. And you can stir that up. Then you want to take a fine mesh sieve and set it over a 4-cup Pyrex pitcher. And then just pour your mixture through the sieve. And you'll see it'll catch any of the pieces of gelatin that didn't dissolve. And this will give you a really smooth panna cotta, which I think is the hallmark of a really good panna cotta. And then I'm going to use the glasses that came in the July subscription box. So if you want to know more about what came in that box, you can click the annotation and get caught up. And if you want to get on board for the September box, now the subscription is open and you have a few more days to get signed up. And I'll put that link in the description as well. And then you're going to pour your panna cotta almost to the top, but not quite, like maybe 3/4 of the way, just to allow room to place our strawberry basil topping. And then I really like to set these glasses in a muffin tin because I find it keeps them nice and stable as you head to your fridge. And then you just want your panna cottas to set for at least 4 hours, but really overnight is best. And then this is why I love these kinds of desserts in the summertime, because just when everybody is done with dinner, your dessert is all ready to go. And the only thing you have to do is just dice up some fresh strawberries, toss it with a little chiffonade of basil, and place this mixture, about a tablespoon or so, on top of each panna cotta. Doesn't that look so pretty and summery? And you will find when you spoon into these panna cottas how delicious and refreshing they are. It's really great to get that rich custard underneath with the freshness of the strawberries and that little kick of the basil. I hope you guys give this one a try and let me know what you think. Subscribe for more quick and easy recipes, and I'll see you back here next week. Until then, bye.